I love blabbing, so I love giving my opinion in class.
Calling in all divas. It's time to glitter up your day with Simonalisa.
Hey angels, today we're gonna do what's in my school bag, and this is like sleepover edition, so we're gonna have a lot going on in here. Also, this is my first on-camera video. I usually film on my phone, so let's hope that this works out fine and that the coloring and the audio is good. But anyways, so let's start with the outside of the bag. This is a Jessica Simpson bag, I think. I put a belt on it because yesterday I was wearing this belt and today I'm wearing a different belt. So I just put this one on the bag to kind of like have more space inside for other things, except it just unclasped, which happens sometimes, but it goes really well with this bag though. So pro tip, if you ever have to pack a lot and you don't know where to put stuff if you have a sleepover, put your belt on your bag. But let's look at some of the charms on here. We got this I Heart New York one, which is thrifted. Pretty much everything is thrifted, the bag, the keychains. This little Kathy Van Zealand one. And then we have this little poof ball. And then this little charm is actually for my boyfriend, but it was like, wait, was it from him? No, these are different little charms that I like thrifted, and I just put them together on this little keychain. So, okay, wait, this part, my boyfriend got me. It was connected to this bracelet that broke, so then I added it with these other charms that I thrifted onto this little keychain. Does that make sense? And then what was hanging on my bag were my headphones. Usually I wear earphones, but I broke mine, so now I'm wearing these. I don't even know where the charger is, but I want to put some stickers now that I make my own stickers. So I'm going to be doing that soon. Okay, so first thing, we're starting with a pouch. I have so many pouches in my bags at all times. It's just like I love having everything categorized, you know what I mean? And it just makes me feel more organized with all the chaos that's going on in my bag, because there's like a lot of shit to put in here, and I hate looking for stuff for a long time. Anyway, so this is my makeup pouch. I have my lip balm, this lip liner, this NYX lip cream. I use this, and I use like the NYX butter glosses. Those are like some of my favorites. And then I have this like highlighter that's like detaching from the, you know what I mean? You can see that. And then I have this eyeshadow palette, and then my butter gloss is in here too. And my Hello Kitty eyeliner, which is the eyeliner I have on right now. And you guys, I got this from like Miniso. It's so good. I literally slept in this eye makeup, and it's day 2. The eyeshadow's like pretty much gone, but the eyeliner's still going strong, so don't sleep on cheap makeup. That's pouch number 1. Oh god, I'm scared I'm gonna look at the footage and hate how the camera looks, like with the setting I put on. I did do some like test shots, but that's when I was looking terrible, so I was like, oh, maybe I just look bad. But like, I'm scared, you guys. Anyways, next, this little kissy pouch. I love like little kisses on here because it reminds me of brats. Anyways, I literally just have like pens and pencils in here. Like, I know it's like kind of weird to have in such a big case when I already can't fit stuff in my bag, but I don't know, like, what else am I gonna do? So yeah, that's for when I want to draw in class. And then I have my DS. And the thing is, I have the biggest fear of being bored in class. So I need to like always have entertainment stuff with me. So I bring like my DS. I always bring, wait, what do I bring? I always bring my DS and some journals, like a sketchbook, an actual book. I'll show you guys, it's all in here. Okay, next, I have this little book sleeve here. I have my hair comb in here because the bang girls, you know. I need to put a roller. One thing I didn't pack this time, which I was supposed to, I always bring rollers with me. I didn't pack a roller this time, so now my bangs are kind of sitting flat. But the comb, you can't ever forget the comb. And then I have my sketchbook. I was drawing in class today because I was so bored. I have this prof that, so this is like rare for university, but one of my profs, he's like, no screens, no computers, no phones. People still are sneaky with it, but I don't know, like I'll sort of go on my phone, but I'm fine with also just like drawing in class. And I'll like pay attention and join in discussions if I feel like it, because I love blabbing, so I love giving my opinion in classes sometimes. I mean, I take like marketing, entrepreneurship, fashion classes, so like obviously that's kind of interesting. But when I used to take, before I had my major, when I had math classes, you guys, I didn't want to be there. I didn't want to speak. I just wanted to cry. And I have my diary, which I had to like print out a paper to put in the case, because I didn't, like, I kind of got sick of like the actual cover it came with originally. And then the book I'm currently reading, and I think I have some tabs in here. Yeah, because I like tabbing books sometimes. Okay, what else do we got? I have this wallet. I used to use a different one, and then my boyfriend got me this one, so now I transferred to it. And then I have this pouch, which on it there's like this little keychain, which was a gift. And this is like my emergency pack. So we got like mini deodorant. You always need a little deodorant on you. Pads, tissues, because we're in Canada, and like flu season is every season. A little hand sanitizer, because people in my program are like nasty. Just kidding, sort of. My city's pretty nasty though. I got some gum, Band-Aids, and then I have some more Band-Aids. They're all Kuromi Band-Aids. Floss, because you never know when you're going to have like seasoning stuck in your teeth. More floss, but like the string version. My mini Viva La Juicy roller, a little, and hand cream, because I have really dry skin and we're in Canada, so you know, you especially need that. But this little pouch, I love it so much. Like, can you tell the texture? Super fun. And I also have my arm warmers in here. I have my keys, which my keys don't really have the most interesting setup to them, because like I don't like losing keychains that I love, but like, so I'll keep like a few. But anyways, we have rouge. She has pink eye. Unfortunately, I don't know how that happened. I don't think it's gonna come off. And you know what's funny, you guys? I got this one for me. It was like a blind pack. I like felt the package, like the packaging, because I wanted to get rouge, and then I wanted to get Knuckles for my boyfriend, because those are like our favorite characters. Like, so quickly after having it for like not that long, Knuckles like leg came off. Or was his leg? Yeah, I think it was his leg. And then I also have this little baby fat keychain. So that's my keys. We have my iPad in here. I'm such an iPad kid. I love this thing so much. Like, you can do so much on an iPad. You can plan your life. You can watch shows. You can like draw. And then we got my Mac. I'll show you guys my screensaver. This is what it looks like. I feel like I kind of went through everything so quickly. How many minutes have gone by? You guys, it's been only 8 minutes. That's crazy. I like doing, oh wait, one more thing in my bag. Oop. My Betty Boop watch. This is what I was wearing yesterday. And surprisingly, there's like no garbage in here. That's kind of crazy. But the thing too is like I switch my bags out pretty much every day. So because of that, I'll kind of like take the garbage out a lot of the times. But yeah, that's pretty much like everything that I pack for school, especially if I'm staying over a night. I mean, oh, and then also I pack my camera, but that's what I'm using to film right now. Do you guys want to see some of my sketches? I don't know. That feels like such a, like I'm a little bit like scared of doing that because I'm not like a good artist. I'll show you guys my opening page. That's what it looks like. It's just little things I love and my name. And then I did some of these like drawings. They're like inspired by my boyfriend, but I made him more of a baddie. You know, I gave him some cool tattoos and yeah. But like his fake character, so this guy that's like based off my boyfriend, his name's Ray, and he's kind of just like a warrior. I don't know. And then this is like my character of like inspired by me. Her like weapon is swords, and I have like a color version. You guys, I draw like a child, and then I drew this little girl like, and then I tried drawing her again and coloring her because I have this thing where when I don't know, it's kind of more of a recent thing like with this sketchbook, not with my old one, but I'll do a drawing and then I'll be too scared to ruin it, so I'll do it again and color it in. Like, I'll try to, like, recreate it and then color in whichever one is, like, less good in my opinion because I'm scared of ruining it. And I tried drawing Nana, but the face doesn't look like her. I was kind of proud of the hands, though, because I really can't draw hands. I'm going to show you guys. Actually, no, I'm not going to. I'm not going to show you guys. This is what I drew in class today. And then I also drew something else and it was really bad, so I erased it. And then I was drawing also, like, my dream bag, kind of. I don't know, I just, like, drew stuff I wanted on the bag that I might, like, make in the future. But yeah, that's a little tour of my sketchbook. Oh, I kind of want to show you guys. In my diary, so for, like, a while, I just, like, wasn't writing in it. So, it had been, like, a few months. Let me see if there's anything personal in here. I don't think so. But it's, like, how my life has been kind of spread. And then I, like, drew a bunch of little teeny drawings and I write little texts. And it would just be, like, happy things that have happened recently, like, in the past few months. Like, I'm seeing, like, my boyfriend Rayon, he got me a sewing machine. I cut my bangs. I thrifted a Britney CD, so I drew that, and I drew my CD player. Me and my sister watched Nana. Me and my sister went trick-or-treating, because, like, that's how long it's been since I didn't write in this specific journal. I learned how to do acrylic nails, and I just put different things on here. Like, I started posting on YouTube consistently, so, yeah, I'm so happy that I'm back to posting on YouTube. It's what I've always, like, loved doing since I was a kid. I've had, like, 3 different YouTube channels. Talking to the camera is just so fun, and now that I'm older, it's, like, even more fun, because, like, I don't know, when I was a kid, I would, like, open a Kinder Egg, and I'd record that. Like, what is that? I don't know. It just feels like everything I do now is more, like, intentional, and it is just really exciting to, like, talk about the things I love on camera, you know? Like, who wouldn't want to do that? It's like talking to your friends. I'm wondering if I'm even going to keep in the parts of the sketchbook. You guys, one thing I love, like, my guilty pleasure is watching sketchbook tours on YouTube. Those are, like, really calming videos that I love to watch before going to sleep. Let me know what you guys like to watch, kind of, like, wind down, and, like, if you want to, like, calm down, fall asleep, like, what do you guys watch? Like, obviously I love sleeping to, like, rain, music, like, that type of thing. But if I'm actually, like, watching kind of, like, for entertainment and, like, to calm myself down, like, I love sketchbook tours. What else do I like watching on YouTube? Honestly, I don't really watch, like, calming things on YouTube except for, like, sketch videos. Other than that, I'll, like, watch different people I like watching for, like, usually it's, like, fashion videos. My sister's talking to her friends on the phone so loud. You guys, because my family's so loud, whenever I start recording, I do, like, a disclaimer. I'm like, guys, I'm about to start recording. I can hear her way too well. Why is she so loud? And it's like, I know she can hear me. So why is she this loud? Let me know what you guys like to watch, because I always love hearing ideas. And I want to give the people what they want. But we're at the end of the video, so thank you so much for watching, and make sure to leave some glitter everywhere you go.